Alright guys, we're in quarantine. Today we're going to be cleaning out the chicken coop, giving that a go. I was going to put together a play set, but all the screws are missing, so I got to wait on that to come. Lord knows how long that'll take. Let's get to it. Huh?
That's unnecessary.
What's unnecessary?
The mask. Yeah, like I saw one guy wearing it at Walmart. One kind of bad. Unnecessary.
It's always necessary in quarantine. Huh?
Daddy, what is that yellow thing?
It's part of the play set. I was gonna make it, but all the screws are missing.
What is screw?
Huh?
What is screw?
That's what holds it together.
Oh yeah, I saw one time you used the screw.
I just can't win with you guys. Your food's getting wet when it's on the ground, so I prop it up and you fucking knock it over and get it all over the ground anyway. You better eat that. You listen to me? What are you guys doing over there? Where are you hiding from? Huh? What's your problem? I've been meaning to put hinges and a latch on this, but right now it's just got a couple screws holding it on, so take these screws off and open the side door. We can get to this chicken coop, clean it out. You want to know what it looks like when you're an irresponsible chicken farmer? Right here it is. Dirty as hell. So I'm going to take a hoe and scrape it off into this wheelbarrow and wheel it off into a pile. Let it compost. Use it for the garden fertilizer later on down the road. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. And what I did was, when I built this chicken coop, I put these vinyl tiles down, and that makes it where it doesn't stick to it, and it's real easy just to scrape it off of there. Makes it real easy for cleaning. So next we're just gonna throw some new shavings in there. I got a new bag here, so throw those in there and get to the next coop. Alright, so there you go. I'll put some new layer on in the nesting boxes. But they don't poop too much in the nesting boxes, so I can kind of just layer that stuff up in there. So we'll go ahead and get this door back on. Next thing we got is our little chicken coop here. And it should be really interesting, because what it is it has a little tray here that pulls out, but it's really difficult to get it out of there, and obviously I got to go in the chicken run, so we'll see what happens. I don't know why they're freaking out so bad. They do not like that at all. Girls must be over here messing with them or something. Gotta put a little bit of extra bedding in here. There we go. Other chicken coops cleaned. All done. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is grab some screws because I'm going to try to figure out a way to... I'm going to fill this up with the oyster shell and fill their feed back up that they spilt and see if I can figure out where I want to put it. I'm going to hang it off the side of this chicken coop somewhere because it keeps getting wet. If I sit it on the ground, it gets wet. And if I prop it up on something, I tried to sit it up on that block and they just knock it over and then knock it all over the place. So I'm gonna see if I can hang those somewhere. I'm thinking right off the side here, right around this door, to where I can still get the door open. Because for some reason it just gets really wet in here. I don't know. It's just like it's like everything from the rest of the yard drains off into here, and it just stays wet. Because I got a roof over it. So I don't know. So we're gonna do that next, and I'm gonna see if I can find a little container to put some sand in for them to bath in, because they don't have enough dry dirt in here to really do any dust baths. So we'll see. All right, so I found this planter box thing for flowers. I'm gonna try to use it. I don't think it's really big enough, but I got a couple bags of sand, and the sand's wet too, so it's got to dry out anyway. So I'm gonna fill this thing up with the sand and then see if they'll give some dust bath. You want to mix some diatomaceous earth in there too. I don't know if I have any though, so I might just putting sand in there. It's better than nothing. You want to make sure it's play sand so it's not abrasive to their skin. So we'll go ahead and do that. Kitties. Oh God, you guys are eating like horses. What? Anybody want to take a look at my plants here, see how they're doing? Everything's still alive. This one in particular is taking off big time. I got a couple other seedlings down here, they're still doing good. And my lettuce, hard to see, but it's already grown all the way back and it's ready to harvest again. In like less than 2 weeks, ready to harvest again. So I'll be doing that here soon. All right. Can't remember what I came in here for. Oh yeah, some screws. All right, let's get back there. Well, it ain't perfect, but it'll just have to work for now. So there we go, all done.